First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this?
Hi, Sandy Ingram here, your hostess for Budget Retirement Options. In today's video, let's talk about Acapulco for beachfront living. A city in the spotlight for all the wrong reasons is now making a comeback. The truth is, Mexican people from Mexico City, Canadians, and some Europeans never really had a problem with Acapulco, even during the time when the city received the tag of being one of the most dangerous cities in the world. Now, don't get me wrong, the violence was real. I arrived for the first time in 2019, and even then things were a little shaky, yet the city was bursting with nightlife and the beach lifestyle. I left several times only to return. I returned twice. Now in mid-2021, the city appears to be outgrowing the negative label and is living up to its famous name as an international tourist hotspot. Each week, with thousands of tourists and 100 or more tour buses in town from Mexico City, the hotel vacancy factor is lower than in most cities around the world. And the public beaches are overly crowded, especially on the weekend. Thus, we are looking for luxury accommodations that more or less have private beaches. What you should know is the locals earn, on the average, around 8,000 pesos per month after taxes. In US dollars, this is around $400 a month. Therefore, if your pension, Social Security, or retirement income is $1,000 to $1,500 a month, you can afford to retire in Acapulco. For many of you, your retirement is more. So let's look at beachfront living in Acapulco. You will never tire of the view of the bay and the ocean. Each morning when you wake up, you are grateful for the view and the very existence of such a beautiful city. So let's take a look at high-end luxury at $1,200 US a month during the summer months of 2021. Here on Airbnb, we have put into the search entire place for up to $1,200 a month. The filters include Wi-Fi, beachfront, and kitchen. Now, for some of you, you may need air conditioning, but what's happening is they are having tourists to pay extra each month for the air conditioning if you stay past 30 days. But this is what you can expect. Entire place, beachfront, in Acapulco, mostly high-rises. There are 42 stays that qualify. And as you can see, the prices range from $700 all the way up to $1,200. That's what we put into the search. Now, as we continue here on page 2 of the 42 listings for under $1,200 a month beachfront properties, we find a variety. Now, here you find a property, they say it's beachfront, but it's not. It just has a view of the bay and of the sea. So you have to be careful. Some of the postings are a little misleading. You have to go inside of the posting and actually see that the property is located right on the beach. Now here is an entire service apartment, as you can see, right on the beach. It has the Wi-Fi, the hot tub, the elevator, air conditioning, kitchen, pool, TV, and it has a dryer. Beach access, beachfront. $954 a month during the summer of 2021. Let's take a look at the unit, the images. The hot tub. This is a beautiful high-rise right on the main street of Acapulco.